Welcome to the JDisk Discovery video channel. My name is Natalie, and today I would like to present the redesigned Custom Reports feature in our new web user interface. But first, let's see what custom reports are and what needs they serve. Reporting over the collected data is one of the significant features of JDisk Discovery, which provides a wide variety of predefined reports, found under the Reporting section. However, we usually need a specific set of attributes shown in one report, or a specific set of filters applied to our data, in order to monitor specific parts of our network. For example, we need a quick view of all our devices with their IP addresses and subnet masks. Here is where custom reports come in. Custom reports are defined by the users inside our application, and they are adjustable at any time. The visibility of each custom report might be set to private, so that only the current user sees it, group, so that only users of the same user group might see it, or global, so that all authenticated users might see and configure it. JDisk Discovery organizes reports under those three primary folders into a tree structure where we can navigate, view report results, and perform all available tasks. A simple click over one report's name leads us to the page with the report's results. Available tasks appear as menu items on this tree's nodes while hovering over them. Add a report, or a folder, change a report, or folder, clone a report, export a report definition, import a report definition, remove a report, or folder. The same options appear on the tree's vertical or right-click context menu and apply to the selected node. Drag and drop is supported here to reorganize your reports. But let's see now how we can create or edit a report and which types are supported. The tool that allows us to create or edit a custom report definition is a simple wizard that guides us through the process. In the first step, we may specify the name and optionally a description for the new report, and select the type of the report, whether it shall be a wizard or an SQL-based report. Wizard-based reports are the standard type where fields and filters are defined throughout the next steps, whereas SQL-based reports address advanced users who can define the raw SQL query to get the desired data, and cover more complex cases. We shall see more details about them later on. In the second step of a wizard-based report, we may select and add the desired attributes and respective filters to our report, while in the third step, we may define the desired order of appearance of the chosen fields. The last step provides a summary of our changes to review and accept our changes before we click Finish, which means to apply and exit. Of course, we may cancel the operation during the process, so our changes are lost, and we may finish during the previous steps as long as we feel our editing is complete. The same steps are followed when editing a report. The wizard appears with the steps filled with the already defined attributes of our report, so we can adjust them and apply our changes. Now, let's see in more detail how we can define the fields and filters of a report through the wizard. The second step displays a tree where we see all available attributes on our left-hand side. They follow a tree structure as they are grouped under categories so that we can more easily find what we need. So we just find and select the desired attributes and send them to the right side where the report's details are. Let's assume we desire to add all the operating system's attributes. We can even select and add a small category altogether. By default, when we create a new report, 6 essential device attributes are added, which we can customize or remove. On the report side, we might use the tree menu items to add or edit the report filters on the selected attributes. Depending on the attribute type, the available filter conditions vary. Let's select here all the Dell manufactured devices. Some attributes are filtered through type selection, while there are attributes that do not allow filtering at all. For instance, IP6 addresses. When finished with the fields and filters selection, we might reorder them on the next step. Here, the current order is shown and we might use drag and drop, or the up and down buttons on the right to customize. In the case of an SQL-based custom report, we use the second step to define the raw SQL query for the report. You may test the correctness of your SQL by clicking the Test Query button, while Next or Finish shall not work in case of a faulty input. Raw SQL might be used in complex cases where our wizard cannot be applied. Please do not hesitate to contact our support in case your needs are not covered through the wizard-based report options, so we can help you construct the needed SQL queries to create your customized reports. Finally, let's see the operations that help us manage our existing reports and their structure on the Custom Reports dashboard. We can create a folder. We just provide a name, and we can then add or move our existing reports under the newly created folder to have a more organized view of them. We might clone a report. Cloning a report adds a new report with the same configuration as the cloned report. The application will just ask for a new name and optionally a description for the new report. We might export a report. This means that a file is created and downloaded to your environment, which contains all needed information that describes the report, so that it can be used to import a respective report to the same or any other environment later on. In that case, we use the Import Report functionality to import a new report inside the selected folder. A new name is asked here too. Finally, we might remove a report or a folder, which means eliminating all contained reports and subfolders. Thank you for watching this video and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Get our software from your download page and find more videos on our YouTube channels. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.